everyone. I like to share my quick reflection on the servant leadership after today's session. So, before this session, when I thought about the servant leadership, I only understood it's a simple way like be humble and supportive as a leader. But um, now I see it through much more than that. A servant leadership means putting a people the first and really listening to them and creating an environment where others can grow and succeed. The principle that touched me the most was empathy. I realized that leadership is not just about giving a task or instruction, but about truly understanding the people are feeling and what they need. When we show the empathy, we build a trust and that creates a strong teamwork and a community. One action I will take this week to serve the better as a leader is to give a more spaces for others to speak before I share my own ideas. I want to listen more carefully and make sure people will valued and included. For me, servant leadership is not just a concept anymore. It's a mindset of leading by serving. And I'm excited to keep growing in this way. Thank you for listening, and I look forward to practice the servant leadership together. Thank you.